Do you ever walk into a room and instantly feel at ease, warm, comfortable, and completely at home? What if you could create that feeling in your own home this winter? That's the magic of cozy, inviting spaces. There's a Danish concept called Hygge. I think of it more as cozy living, and mostly because I can't say the word very well. But it's all about embracing comfort, warmth, and well-being at home. It's about slowing down, finding joy in the little things, and truly enjoying your space. And the best part, you don't have to spend a lot of money or completely redo your space to get that cozy, inviting feeling. Today, I'm sharing simple, practical ways to make your home warm and welcoming this winter. Ready to get cozy? Let's jump in. One of the easiest ways to make your home feel instantly cozier is by layering on the textiles. Think chunky knit blankets, plush feather pillows, and soft, fluffy rugs underfoot. I love mixing different textures because it adds so much warmth and depth to a space. Textures are it. You could try wool throws, linen cushions, and even a bit of faux fur to create that warm, inviting look. And here's a little tip. Stick to neutral, earthy tones to keep things feeling calm and grounded. It's amazing how much of a difference a few cozy layers can make. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood for a cozy home. Swap out harsh, bright lights for softer, warm-toned bulbs. Think lamps with fabric shades, string lights for magical evening glow, and of course, candles. Lots and lots of candles. I love using certain scented candles with warm, comforting scents like vanilla or cinnamon. It creates such a calming atmosphere, perfect for those cozy winter evenings. Everyone needs a little spot to curl up and relax, and that's why I love creating a cozy nook, which is something I shared about in a recent video, so look for that one for more ideas too. Your nook doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a comfy chair, a soft blanket, and maybe a stack of good books or even a journal. Whether it's in the corner of your living room or by a window, having a dedicated spot to slow down and enjoy the moment is such a lovely way to create that warm, inviting atmosphere. In my house, this is my go-to spot for a warm drink and a little quiet time. Are you ready to transform your home but not sure where to start? Join me for my free class, Embrace Your Space, where I'll share my proven process for creating a home you love to live in. In this free workshop, you'll learn the exact steps I've used for years to turn cluttered chaos into beautiful, organized areas in my home. I'm also going to teach you my foundational step to loving the home you live in, including my secret for loving your home as it is right now, even if it's nowhere near being your dream home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start your journey toward a home that reflects your style and feels like you. Sign up for the free class today at homemadelovely.com/embraceyourspace.yt and take the first step toward creating the home you truly love to live in. One of my favorite ways to make a space feel fresh and inviting is by bringing natural elements into my home. Think wood accents, greenery, and woven baskets. Adding plants is an easy way to bring life and freshness to a room, even in the dead of winter. And if you're like me and you're not great with plants, don't worry, faux greenery can work just as well as long as it's realistic looking. A big part of creating a cozy home is simplicity and mindfulness. So it's not about cluttering your home with stuff. Instead, choose meaningful pieces that bring you joy. I love displaying a few sentimental items like framed family photos or handmade pottery. It keeps the space feeling personal and inviting without making it feel crowded. It's all about surrounding yourself with things that make you feel happy and at peace. One of the most underrated ways to create a cozy, inviting home is through scent. Our sense of smell is so closely linked to how we feel, so it's worth paying attention to. I love using simmer pots with seasonal ingredients like cinnamon sticks, orange peels, and cloves. They make the house smell amazing. You can also use essential oil diffusers with calming scents like lavender or cedarwood. It's such a simple way to make your home feel warm and welcoming. At its heart, Hygge and cozy living is about connection and togetherness. It's not just about creating a warm space for yourself, but also about bringing people together. In our home, we do this by creating inviting gathering spaces, whether it's the dining area for family meals or the living room for movie nights. It doesn't have to be complicated, just a comfy spot with lots of pillows and blankets to encourage conversation and connection. Those simple shared moments are what cozy living is all about. And that's it. 7 simple, practical ways to make your home warm and inviting this winter. Whether you layer on the textures, create a cozy nook, or bring in comforting scents, each of these little changes can make a big difference in how your home feels. If you enjoyed this cozy home video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos focused on creating a home you love.